rubbing onion on armpits prank.
I can't believe I have 509 blue tokens. I'm gonna use all of them in a brand new autumn pack. So this is.
Yo, I just see that you leave KSI's number, so how does it feel to be a professional number leader?
Okay.
You wanna be
Autumn
next?
Crow.
No. You wanna be next?
I need the legendary.
I'm gonna do it right now, bro. You see me? Can you see the screen? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Alright, see me here? Wait.
He has a new number.
Hey! Put in this phone number.
Crap.
Put in this phone number. 5. Put in that phone number. Kaisen's phone number.
It speeds. Not Kaisenats. Still charging. Oh my. Forgot. Bro, it's not gonna. I think he changed his.
He didn't.
What? He just gonna leave his number out like that?
Did you call? That didn't work, huh?
Snoop Dogg's billionaire baby.
How the freak do I not have the legendary?
Your heart generates enough force to squirt blood 30 feet across a room. This powerful organ beats about 100,000 times every day and pushes about 1.5 gallons of blood through your body each minute. In a year, that's over 670,000 gallons, enough to top off an Olympic-sized swimming pool. And this means that over an average lifetime, your heart will pump around 58 million gallons of blood, which is enough to fill the Statue of Liberty 10 times. Your heart generates enough force to squirt blood 30 feet across.
Well, what if you get like shot when you're like 2?
About 100,000 times every day and pushes about 1.5 gallons of blood through your body each minute. In a year, that's over 670.
How did I get 2 pumpkin puppies? Only 1 pumpkin puppy, but I got 3 autumn crows.
This means that over an average lifetime, your heart will pump around 58 million gallons of blood, which is enough to fill the Statue of Liberty 10 times. Your heart generates enough force to squirt blood 30 feet across a room.
400.
Organ beats about 100,000 times.
Yo, big body, huh? Oh yeah.
In a year, that's over 670,000 gallons, enough to top off an Olympic-sized swimming pool. And this means that
Hop
over
off
an
that.
average lifetime,
Black, what does that look like to you? Black, what does that look like to you? Butt cheeks. No. What does it look like to you?
organ beats about
Whack, look.
100,000 times every day and pushes about 1.5 gallons of blood through your body each minute. In a year, that's over 670,000 gallons, enough to top off an Olympic-sized swim.
I was there when Mike Tyson slapped Jake Paul, and you know what caused it. After Jake got slapped, he immediately started telling the crowd that he did it really big, and he even started celebrating. Mike told the audience that the talk was now over, and Jake Paul meditated to calm himself down. But then Jake was asked, what did he do to cause Mike to react that way? Jake responded by saying that Mike's slap was weak, and that the fight was now personal for him, so he plans to end Mike's life tomorrow. One thing he didn't mention was that Jake ended up stepping on Mike's foot, which made Mike react. I was there when Mike Tyson.
So I'm guessing you all know what a pop is.
Okay.
A firework that makes noise every time you throw it. Well, ever since I was a little baby, I had this epic idea of making the world's biggest pop.
subscribed 409.
My brother and I
How?
actually made that happen.
So pumpkin puppy 9%. I'll go 2.29. I need
So loud. Well, that was a lie. We actually bought 15,000 poppets.
I get the golden pie before the
With a
turkey.
little help from our friends, it was time big
It's
drop.
gonna be insane.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not gonna
See
get
if this
it.
car bubble will actually work.
The golden pie, not a singular chance.
This time.
Can I get one?
Now,
Like, I hope I get one, but
now
I'm
basketball.
probably not gonna get it.
Now this ladder.
I wonder how much.
Last one, sure.
If this doesn't work, you have to subscribe.
I'm gonna do the insane tactic.
No, see if this car
It's
bubble.
where
Cricket or basketball?
you
or soccer?
have it like
Cricket or NFL? Cricket or volleyball? Cricket or rugby? Cricket or tennis? Cricket
and do
or
this and you get a ton.
Cricket or hockey? Cricket or bocce? Bocce, oh, I like that. Cricket or gymnastics? Cricket or dance? Cricket or boxing? Cricket or swimming?
What? Did I get the wrong one?
Mate, why do you like cricket so much? Bro, joking about us.
I plugged in the wrong one. No. I have enough to at least.
Hello. I got a haircut. Oh, clean. I got this drink as well. I don't know what it is. What do you
Jesus,
mean?
at least have
When I bought this, I thought it would have the little ball inside. Oh, you did not ball me out. Where is your ball? I got 2. Where's yours? Whatever. Let's drink. Don't care that much. Oh! Wait, the ball's right there. Let's go. How does this work? I don't actually know how to open this. Does it lift up? Yeah. With the little bubbles you got going on. How do I open it? Hey there. I may or may not have looked it up. Finally. And you just take that thing and you push it. Hello.
Wait, can you call Lamar?
You know, he was eating our blood cousins. That's just anything.
He did that. Did you ever be a Tyler doll?
Probably not. Yeah, my fans will probably cut a hole in it and fuck it.
I put another kill trouble. You think it's so fucking funny, huh?
Funny. I'll whoop your ass.
You go for it like my mom.
Are you fighting the urge to make out with me right now?
Not really. I'm really into this pizza though.
Could never be a...
If you're choking alone, call 9.
If you're choking alone, call 911 to shoot you in the head. What are you doing? Okay, that's the end of my video.